Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Well, I was contacted. I wanna spend some time and talk about this young lady, the Showa Katia. Uh, she contacted YouTube. So all the other bloggers then listen to this. And this is the text that she sent me via Instagram. She said, "Good evening. My name is Lisa Parang Mandan, and I am legally requesting that you remove my picture and image and any information concerning me, false or true, from your social media account. I do not consent in the use of my picture, name, any information false, true regarding me. It is defamatory for you to share, promote that I've had dealing with certain individuals for the first or second hand information concerning Mr. Coke and is false and misleading. And I have not met or had any dealings, first or second hand, with individual you have alleged I have. I think kindly that you remove the information concerning me, Lisa Paramandan. Hopefully this can settle without legal notice via YouTube, which will result in your channel possibly infractions. I understand this is your hustle or possibly a passion. I do not knock that. I cannot have my name defamed without taking any legal action after this request. Thank you in advance for your cooperation." Well, apparently she went ahead and she contacted YouTube, and YouTube contacted me. They didn't remove the video. They said somebody is saying privacy, and if I can blur, and work with them. But I appealed her decision because the information that I got, it's right there in front of you. It's from the Toronto Star, and it's also on the CBC, Canadian Broadcasting Corporation news site. It's also on the record.com website. If you Google anything about gun running with it in terms of what she is charged with, like they say, gun supplier, her name is going to pop up. So I didn't make anything up about this young lady. Everything that I said was on the CBC news site, the Toronto Star. I'm not a troublemaker. I just report the thing as how I see it. Now, if I am doing a video which is not factual, I let that be known and I give my opinion. There is a difference between opinion and facts. So I just want to make that clear. Well, like I said, I will work with YouTube, and you vloggers out there, be aware of this, that somebody can red flag you. Oh, they also said they had blocked the video from Canada. So, she was in Canada and stuff like that. I appeal that notion also. I am willing to work with YouTube as soon as they let me know where I violated her privacy rights when the picture and everything is already in public domain. So like I said, Shower Princess, you know, that's her new name. With the shower man them, and she did a supply machine to the man them, like me said, it there. You guys can check it out. I'm gonna stand up for my rights. Nobody is gonna shut up countryman and bully me. And you know what I'm saying? I'm here to keep the fire burning and bring the information to the people them. I'm also here to work with everybody, including YouTube and every player that makes this possible. So, in her text, like you see it right there, she's saying that, you know, she's not saying blur her picture. She's saying remove the video and remove the information. At this moment, unfortunately for her, I am not going to do that. YouTube is working with me, and that's how it is. So I choose to make this video to educate vloggers out there and, you know, educate the public of what's going on behind the scenes. So yeah, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and check out the notification button. Make sure you turn that on. Now, check out the WhatsApp group, and there, you know, with the WhatsApp group, there's different people and different folks in it. So be very mindful of the pictures you put up, because not everybody likes to see, you know, somebody brain a drop out of them head and anything there. So just be very mindful of that. You know what I'm saying? I am not no strict kind of guy. You know, I work with everybody, so just be very mindful, you know, and kind of ask and stuff like that. If you cannot, or if you can blur the picture, blur, and you know, just be mindful of folks and ask before you dump certain picture. Cause I just got some videos from Jamaica in Mobile, and I'm gonna do a video with these videos. But I was telling country girl, I am going to blur the pictures because at this point I'm not doing this for ratings. You understand? This is a passion, so that's how it is. So yeah, remember you can join the membership section too, and I am going to create a Patreon page where I could upload these videos that I'm getting with the boards and stuff so people can actually see them. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, countryman, like, share, subscribe, and I'm out. And like for Miss Lisa, you know, Shower Princess, we're gonna have to work this out some kind of way, but I'm not taking on the video at this moment until YouTube say take it down. And you're not YouTube. Alright? And everything I got on you is out there in public domain. Countryman, I'm out. Peace out.